And welcome to another video from inside my almost finished workshop. New one, yes. Today we're going to be fitting wheel spacers. 20mm, look at the size of that. Wheel spacers to bring the back wheels out on my B3 Passat. These are Hubcentric, which means they've got this little lip here. They slide on. These are what you want if you're going to do wheel spacers. So let's get to it. Let's put these on and I'll do a before and after and stuff and show you how to fit them and stuff and all that jazz. You know what I'm talking about, yeah. Okay, first things first, let's get a before and after shot. Look at that gap in, look at that wheel there, the way it's sitting. It is very much in the arch. Okay, first things first, let's crack off the back wheel bolts while the car's still on the ground. Okay, let's get the car jacked up in the air. Take the wheel off. Right, let's try the spacer on for size on this way. Yep, fits lovely that way. Oh. And now let's try it on for size on the hub. Yep, fits lovely on the hub too. These are Hubcentric, which means that goes on, fits onto that centre hub, but then it creates another centre hub for my wheel to locate on, which is what you need. These are 5x100 and 5x112. It's 5x100 what I need today. So let's put them on. Here we go. Here's your hub. Here, here's the wheel spacer. What you want to do is make sure this is all clean. That goes on there. Stick that on there. Goes on lovely. Then we want to line up the holes. Oh, camera just dropped. Bear with me. We want to line up the holes to the right ones. I think that is it right there. Looks like it. Right. Let's get the wheel on. Right. Oh, I've lined up the wrong holes. I've lined up the wrong holes. I'm going to line them up on the wheel first, I think. Okay, so what I've got here that comes with the kit is extra long wheel bolts. On the rear anyway, I'll finally get rid of these stupid tuner nuts on the rear. Rule of thumb on these is, this is what I do anyway. If I oh, give me 1 second. Just to make sure you've definitely got enough thread. Put a bolt in, start it a little bit, and then what I do is I see how many turns I've got on the thread. So that one's just gone in, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5. I'd say 6.5 is, you know, I used to do rule of thumb of 5 full turns, but 6.5 is fine. That's perfect. It's a before shot. Are you ready for the after? Here we go. Ta-da! To be fair, it could still be probably come out of another 10mm, but so much better. But so much better. The other side is still in, and this side. Ta-da! That's much better. Happy days. Okay, there we go. Rear wheel spaces are now on. Could do with some 10 mils on the front, I think. I could probably put another 10 mil on the back if I'm honest, but they'll do for now. Does need lowering a bit more now though. I think I want to come down about 20 mil front and back. Yeah. Look at that. So much better than sticking out now, aren't they? So much better. Happy days. See you the next one, peeps.